Good morning, all. My name is sreelakshmi T, Assistant Professor, Department of Civil Engineering. I am here to present the tech talk on basalt fiber reinforced concrete. This is the content of this presentation. Concrete is a composite material with a low tensile strength and a low strain limit. The addition of fiber to the concrete mix can significantly improve the engineering properties of the concrete. Due to the high corrosion resistance, high ductility, and sufficient durability, FRC is widely used. Various types of fibers can be used in cement and concrete composites, such as steel or organic fibers. Basalt fiber is a new kind of inorganic fiber extracted from the melted basalt rock and is currently available commercially. The properties of basalt fiber. First, the physical properties. It is available in golden brown color and in different diameters like 5.8 microns. The available length of basalt fiber are 6 mm, 8 mm, 12 mm, etc. And the density is 2.75 gram per centimeter cube. The coefficient of friction will be between 0.42 to 0.50. The chemical properties include they are more stable in strong alkalis and it loses its weight on boiling water, alkaline and acid. Basalt fiber have very good resistance against alkaline environment with the capability to withstand pH up to 13 to 14 and has good acid and salt resistance. And the thermal resistance of basalt fiber. It can easily withstand the temperature up to 1200 or 1300 for few hours continuously. The unstressed basalt fibers and fabrics can maintain their integrity even up to 1250 degrees Celsius. The mechanical strength. It has high stiffness and strength and has higher specific gravity of 2.6 to 2.8. The abrasion property of basalt material is extremely hard and has hardness value between 5 to 9 on Mohs scale, which result in better abrasion property. The corrosion and fungi resistance of basalt fiber has better corrosion resistance and it does not undergo any toxic reaction with water and air or gases also. Moisture regain and moisture content of basalt fibers exist in the range of less than 1%. The basalt material has strong resistance against the action of fungi and microorganisms. The ecological friendliness. The basalt fibers have natural raw materials, which is basalt rock. It does not cause any damage to the health. Basalt fibers have no biological hazards and solve waste disposal problems. It does not clog incinerators as glass, hence it is incinerator friendly. The application of basalt fiber reinforced concrete are it has good electrical and sound insulating properties and chemical resistance, especially in strong alkalis. The composite pipes can be used to transport corrosive liquids and gases. The field application of basalt fiber reinforcement includes concrete industrial concrete floors, runways in airports, motorway, industrial floors in shops where heavy equipment is used, and internal reinforcement of tunnels and channels and military installation. The advantages of basalt fiber reinforced concrete are it reduces the width of the cracks and the total cost of the construction work is reduced. The fibers can be easily mixed and the cost of repairs and maintenance greatly reduces due to fiber reinforced concrete for long lifetime. The thickness of the concrete layer can be reduced to half and the basalt fiber is not liable to galvanic corrosion comparing to usual rebar that is an electrical conductor and can have the cathode effect. Technical advantages of basalt fibers used in the concrete structure at it it has low level of micro cracks and it increases the flexural strength up to 35%. It increases the concrete fatigue strength and resistance up to 40% and frost resistance up to 35%. It has water tightness up to 50% and increases surface endurance of concrete up to 70%. The slivering of corners and edges is decreased up to 90% by the use of basalt fibers. The figure shows basalt rebar, basalt geotextile, copper fiber. The basalt fiber is now being popular choice for the material scientists for the replacement of steel and carbon fibers due to its high rigidity and long elongation or extension at break. Its supreme tenacity value makes it as a useful reinforcement material in the present and also for the future era to come. The most important contribution due to the addition of basalt fibers is the change of mode of failure from a brittle to ductile when subjected to compression, bending, torsion, and impact with the improvements in properties of concrete specified in the catalog provided by the supplier. The basalt fiber rebar having full resistance against corrosion may be good alternative for the reinforcement of concrete structures like RC bridge girders subjected to an environmental attack. Finally, we may conclude that the basalt fiber can be used as a good alternative strengthening material instead of glass fiber, carbon fiber, and steel fiber. These are the references, and thank you.